Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gaming. Today I am going to unbox a new product and I have received it from Amazon. So let's get started. And here I have the brand new Pitstop Air Comfy Seat. And of course, if you're a bike rider and you're going to ride bike for a very long distance non-stop, then you probably might have end up with some burning sensation in your ass. So this is the solution here. I have got the solution for you, and it's a very good product. And if you like to buy this one, I'll provide the link in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. I'm going to take it off. So what we have got here is the I think this is the rain cover for the seat. This is the elastic rain cover. It comes with the elastic, and of course here we have the seat. Let me keep this box aside, and I'm also going to tell you about the features of this seat. Here we got the two straps, of course, to hold the seat, and here we have the seat. The seat comes with the YKK zipper. It's a YKK brand, and it's a genuine YKK zipper, very good quality one. And inside this we have got the air seat. I mean, it's a foam material, like a rubber material. And here we have one more pocket, rain friendly. And here we have a sticker in case if we find any holes in here, just to seal it with this sticker. This is a breathable fabric material. Inside this we will have the actual seat, and this is the sports edition. Here we have the pump. Here also it comes with one zip to take out this pump, but I'm not going to do that right now. No need for that. Here we have the pressure release valve. Just to turn it open to let the air pass out. So if we pump like this, it will immediately blow up as soon as the air fills in. Just a few more pumps. This is a very good design because while you are riding also you can pump it and adjust the pressure accordingly. You can see the quality of the material. It's a very good product, no doubt about it. For long rides, this is the must-have upgrade for your bike. So here we have the elastic bands, elastic hooks. So this is where the straps goes in. Just need to insert like this, and here is the lock. This is how you need to just push and hold and put this clip in like that. It's so simple. And to take it out, you just need to press it here, push it back, and it will open like that. So simple. You can also take this out easily without any issues. And remember to install this and put it inside this one elastic strap. This is how it goes, crisscross pattern, like this one. It should be installed so that it will be firmly fitted onto your stock seat. All the bike's stock seats are a bit hard and it's not at all comfortable. So if you install this one, you will probably get a better comfort and better riding experience. There are many other brands also, but I recommend you to buy this one because, as I told you, the features and the quality all are just super. And to remove just turn this knob off, and you can see it's releasing there. So I will show you how you can install onto your bike, but I have KTM Duke 390, so I will make a video on how to install on that particular bike using this seat. It is a bit complicated job, not too complicated, but if you have the right tools, it's a one-man job and it's simple. And I will see you at the bike. Okay guys, I am here at my bike now, and you can already see that I have just removed the pillion seat, and here I have the tool to take out the screw for the rider seat. This is a tough job. Okay, I got it loose. Once you have removed those bolts, and you can install the seat. Just need to take this out like this. Okay, we got the seat here, and we have the air filter and the battery box, battery itself. So this is how we install the seat. To put the straps in a crisscross pattern. Sorry. So I will show you after the installation. So I have just installed the seat onto the stock seat. Here is the Grand Stop's ride on air seat. This is how it looks. You can easily take out the seat by pulling this out. So simple. I'm pumping this and ready to go. That's it guys, thanks for watching, and please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.